Listen for some more minutes. Yesterday we had our proceedings up to 12 o'clock in the night. Some very important items which require the attention of our CMD also and as per our members also will be slightly highlighted, only important items before my formal vote of thanks. So we are heartened to hear from our CMD that we are not going to pay any extra penny towards extra spectrum, because yesterday only we are worried. MTNL and BSNL have been asked to pay some 12,000 crore rupees for additional spectrum being enjoyed. So today, before we say anything, our CMD has already taken this step. They are not going to pay any extra amount, or they are not going to take any interest for this purpose. So we thank our management for this step. If only we could have taken this stand in 2010. Comrades, dignitaries, if only we had taken the stand in 2010 and asked when did we participate or whether we are part of any this bidding process. So 11,000 crore wiping out our entire deposits and forced to take interest. So our first and foremost resolution was this one: we should not pay anything. Then, in addition, whatever paid, 4,600 crore, MTNL management has already asked for that refund. But one more item was there. We have taken loan and paid that amount, spectrum license fee. What about that interest? Okay. We are not seeing a single DPC. Last 12 years, or even put from 2004 onwards. Whereas our counterparts in BSNL are doing, there also it is not to our liking. That again, even financial remuneration also, so many things, parameters are being changed without any criteria or without any discussion with the management. So to have good HR, we wanted some consultations before, because we are already sent so many proposals, so many things. We wanted some consultation with the executive unions, even though it is not mandatory to have any agreement in such respect. Then one more item, medical insurance. We are worried about our daily people that you can take care, that people are not getting actual benefit. Some TPA is leasing or they are not giving the real benefit, but whereas MTNL has already paid the premium. So these are some important points we have discussed, and I am happy to be part of this body where so many people have come, and as my list of vote of thanks, I have to give so many people. It starts from Rajendra Gavit, our Minister for State in Maharashtra for Labour. Comrade Bhai Jagtap, I will call him comrade because he is leading our agitation for all the. He is the convener of Delhi Forum as well as patron for Mumbai Forum. And Advocate Magadev Shalar, who represented our Chief Minister, and he had good words about our MTNL. And read out all our AK Gar CMD Saab. Once in presence of our BSNL comrades, I am telling, he had told us, in BSNL you are Director HR for full period and not a single strike happened during his time. Real credit, I salute him, because so our BSNL executive association people are there, they will work for it. Yeah, President and Secretary. And our energetic Piyush Agarwal Saab, who is taking interest in our connections, Connect 1, Connect 2, and we are having, and from our side also, we will be participating. Just one happening, past happened 2010. I had been to a marriage where it was one retired CGM. He worked in Bombay Telephones, or even MTNL, after MTNL also. So he went long back, more than 20 years back. So immediately after customary handshakes, etc., immediately he asked, how about MTNL working? How they are working, whether it is the same vigor and what? he was just not understanding in what way he was asking, what is the spirit. No, I have been CGM here also, CGM of Kerala Circle. Till the retirement, I used to all the opportunity to tell how in our Westone area, at that time was Westone area manager. Westone area, people struggled against offset. No approach road, heavy rains, no further facilities, humanitarian, or even chai pani at that time we were not giving those days. Even for late hours, people were not being given. Still people produce results. So you should also give results like that. He used to tell his Kerala employees, like that he was telling, are they still continuing the same vigor? So comrades, now you see, this is in 2010, he retired in 2007 and he had gone back more than 20-22 years back. Still he was asking, I think 10-15 minutes, he was only explaining about our work culture in Bombay Telephones. So that culture still we are not lost. Though maybe sometimes we have to do something again. So we are not lost that culture. We have been still continuing. So on behalf of all of you, I can assure from team and as well as other associations, we will never let down our MTL management in relation to the occasion and their effort in making loan-free company will definitely succeed. We are definitely hopeful. Our only grievance was when gold mine was there, we were not part of it. When it has become copper and we have been asked to suffer. So that was the only grievance. In the coming days and years, we will be hopefully coming back to that our original position. And when thousands of crores we are getting income or profit. Those days we were in government, deemed deputation, we were not doing anything extra because under deemed deputation nothing should be paid extra. Even yesterday also I saw that letter 97. Bonus cannot be paid because under PLBC scheme only that you are the nothing can be paid. Like that some 97 order something is there. So when every other stakeholder was being paid, say tax, dividend, other thing, all other things, even BMC, all these taxes we are paying, only employees we are not getting in the name of deemed deputation. When company was in prosperity, some years we were getting something. Thereafter it has stopped. Now even pension has payment. That's why again it is paying to pension issue. So with that energetic activities from our ED shop, we will turn around and come. And our CGM WS Chetasabi is there. We have to thank him also. We could not give time to our 3 GMs available here. Adhikari shop, Chaturvedi shop, Rakesh Tumane shop. In here, Chaturvedi shop has doubled as it's a secretary also. Paucity of times we have not been able to give. Madam Arai? Okay, Madam Arai. Okay. So there are other unions, mainly our guest unions, BSNL, Prahlad Rai, Comrade Venugopal, Comrade Sasthe and Comrade VP Kulkarni, and our veteran leaders are there, I am not naming them, Nandaji and Pathakji, and our Delhi comrades have come in very good number here. Cultural program that still it is going to come. I have to thank them also. Infrastructure people, all volunteers, and so many retired comrades are available with them. And finally, Khan Saabka, Sehemka Share. Only unfortunately I could not recite anything. I could not anything because of my background. So all this and so many people are training. So without except giving access to anybody, so all those complaints get. Madam, okay. So there is some announcement after this. I thank one and all again and again. Thank you, comrades. Director of Finance Anita Soni Madam is on the way. She is expected within 5-10 minutes. So till that program will continue. Or she will please be here with us.